Hi guys, so to make the banana hair mask you will need banana. I like to use the ripe bananas because it's much more softer and it blends a lot more, so you don't have banana bits in your hair. You would need an egg because we need the yolk. You will need lemon juice. You would need honey. You need butter. You need milk. With the milk it has to be a full fat milk, but I don't have it at the moment, so I'm just going to use skimmed milk. You're going to need coconut oil. You're going to need olive oil and obviously your blender to mix everything up. So you peel off your banana and you break it into bits and you put it in your blender. Two tablespoons of olive oil. That's one. That's two. So guys, you can either use 2 tablespoons of olive oil, which I've done already, or you can use 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, but I'm extra so I like to do both. You don't have to do both, you can either use one or the other, coconut oil or olive oil. So I'm extra, I like to put both, so I'm gonna put both. And you're gonna need your milk, half cup of milk. I don't measure it, I just pour it in. Full fat milk guys, I don't have full fat milk at the moment, so I'm just using skimmed milk. This is optional guys, you do not have to put butter in it, but I like to put butter in it. So there we go. 1 teaspoon, not tablespoon guys, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. This is optional as well. Time for the egg yolk. That is optional as well, but when you use an egg yolk into your mixture, it gives your hair body and volume. So if you already have volume in your hair, you don't need to do this. I'm extra like that, so I am gonna put it in even though I still have volume in my hair. My hair is really thick, but it wouldn't hurt to have some more extra volume, would it? So guys, I've got my egg yolk and that's gonna go in there as well. You just need the egg yolk, you do not need the white bit. Okay guys, so I have all my mixture in here and now it's time to blend.